Look at all those chickens.
Signing your life away, JP.
Yeah, I am. Sit down for dog.
Oh, well done! Hi, we're Jack and Lindsay and we've been travelling through Vietnam with True Travels.
If you've been following us on our trip, you'll have seen some of the amazing places we have visited on our trip up north. Now, our last video, we explored Hoi An, where we visited the Imperial City and put our culinary skills to the test in a traditional Vietnamese cooking class. We then headed north towards Phong Nha, where today's video takes place.
Good morning and welcome to Phong Nha. This is our 12th day on the True Travels Vietnam 17-day tour. We arrived in Phong Nha last night when it was dark, so we were so excited to wake up to this morning. Phong Nha is known as a cave town, I believe, and it is home to the world's largest cave and cave system, which we will be exploring today. Signing your life away, JP.
Yeah, I am. Okay, so we've made it to the caves. We're going to do some zip lining, some kayaking, the lot.
Ready, no shoes, no shorts, no shirts, nothing. We are ready to go.
Okay. Sit down for dog.
Oh, that wasn't as bad as I thought, actually. Oh, that was scary for a second. Is that Ollie?
Right.
Yes, Ollie, feet up. Wait, oh! Yay! Very smooth. Legs, yes. Well done. Yes.
Come down with like you can find your legs.
Legs up, yeah. Yeah. Feet up. Oh, that was so like calm coming in. Yay! Phong Nha Cave is in Phong Nha National Park and it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's 7,729 metres long, however tourists can only go roughly to about 1,000 metres deep into the cave. Underneath the cave system there is a river that runs at just under 14,000 metres long.
We ventured into the cave with nothing but our bare feet, our life jacket and a headlamp to help us navigate the dark.
Just stand like where you are.
After surfacing from our mud bath, we were greeted by this.
Oh wow, yeah! Love it. Good fun.
Oh,
Fun.
actually enjoyed this. Is amazing.
Yeah, it's raining, it's so much fun!
Back after the boat station, you remember we have to drop this off?
Wait for me, guys.
Oh, very good.
It's mint, mate.
How happy are you right now? So happy. That's it. Yes, crazy. deep?
Oh, it's definitely deep.
The rest of our time at the national park was spent admiring the views and being big kids. So there's an obstacle course, slide, kayaking, but this is a really scary slide.
Right. Down we go. Oh my word, that's quick! Oh my word, that's quick! That's so good! That's good!
Oh my god, I'm scared. That was... What? After braving the slides, we thought, why not do some more zip lining? Whoa! Wow, well done! Maybe a good picture as well. Whoa! It looks painful. Yep. Yes! Well done! We're done!
It was really, really good. I'm so tired, I'm sorry. I swam so far.
After our epic adventure, it was time for a short drive to our next activity, where we were about to receive a massage by some very unlikely animals.
What are we doing, Jack?
Gonna see some ducks.
Ducks.
Your hand first, mate.
Look at all those sick. Don't you dare! No!
That feels so weird!
Is that massage?
That is the weirdest thing! There's none left. There's none left. Still going away, still going! You missed some. Some more.
Babe. You're a happy boy.
Yeah, happy ducky.
One! When I say three, you throw them in there. 1, 2, 3, throw them!
How was the duck experience, JP?
I really enjoyed it. It was really, really hot though.
It was really hot. It's cooled down quite a bit.
Yeah,
now. This is the
but
most cool it's been for a while.
Yeah, but like I was absolutely sweating through my little rice hat.
But no, we got massages from the ducks.
Oh,
A foot
excuse me, man.
We had a foot massage, we had a knee massage, we had a hand massage, all from the ducks. Can you hear them?
It was really, really cute. It was cute.
We didn't know what to expect. We thought we were going to feed them and just watch them for a bit. But no, that was quite a fun little mini experience. What do you think to the ducks, guys?
I loved it.
Feeling nice and refreshed from our unique massage, we headed back to our hotel in Phong Nha.
Once back at the hotel, we had a few hours to kill, so we thought what better way to end the day than with a sunset bike ride before our night bus. We've made it onto yet another night bus. Well, how long are we on this one for?
10 hours.
10 hours on this bus. It's a lot comfier. We've got aircon. The other night buses, it's been a bit uncomfortable, but this one's spacious. We've got aircon, and we're all on the top row. We arrive in Hanoi in about 10 hours' time at, well, 6 o'clock in the morning. It's now about 9 o'clock, or 9:30, I believe.
Oh, 9.
9:28.
If you want to see more of our Vietnam vlogs and what we got up to in Hanoi, please feel free to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell to stay notified, and we'll stay up to date with all our latest travel vlogs and find out what we're doing in the future. Have a great one, everybody.
JP.
Yeah, this is going to be awful. No upper body strength. Oh god.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I'm not.
It bit me!
It bit me.
Ouch, Ducky.
Ducky bit me.
Are they shagging? Yeah. Are they shagging? Yeah. Yeah. See, they got...
It's alright.
Now me thumb! They're shagging on my foot. Oh my god.